Hello everybody, welcome back. I hope you had a great weekend, and let's start off this week with a few new musical tips you can focus on throughout the week. Last week we learned solfege and we also learned intervals. So now you are familiar with what intervals are and how to sing solfege in relation to pitches. Today, we're going to translate solfege into solfege numbers, and we'll also do a little short interval quiz. Let's get started. Solfege numbers are like so. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very good. Instead of singing the solfege itself, we sing numbers in its place. Let's do it one more time together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very nice. Now, I'd like you to practice that every day so you get those numbers and pitches in your head. Good. Next, let's do a quick interval quiz from what you knew from last week. Let's see how you practiced. I will first hum an interval, and then I'd like you to name that interval. You'll either say a second, a third, a fourth, a fifth, a sixth, or a seventh, or an octave. Can you name that interval? That was a fifth. If you remember from last week, it's also do to so, but now we're going to call it 1 to 5, which is a fifth. Very good. The next one is and that was a second. Did you get that one right? All right, moving on. One more time. Here's a hint. It was that famous interval we talked about last week. Very good. If you remembered it, it is do to fa, which is the same as 1 to 4. That would be a fourth. Very good work. Here's the next one. One more time. What would that be? Alrighty, that was a sixth. You can also remember it as the Bonnie lies over the ocean interval. My Bonnie lies over the ocean. All right, and moving on to our second to last one. Can you hear the note in between? What would that be? A third. 1, 3, 2, 1. If you're not getting these intervals right off the bat, that's okay. It's hard to really get all of these in your ears because they vary so ever so slightly. Each pitch is ever so slightly different than the other. So these will take a while to practice and learn. All right, one more. Can you hear that? La la la. If you guessed it right, it was a seventh. 1 7 1. You can hear it wanting to move to that ending sound, the one at the end. All right, everybody, good work today. You can rewatch this video to learn and practice your intervals. Good work, and keep on working this week. We'll be back next week with another video. We're gonna pull out some actual sheet music for the next video, so be on the lookout. Bye, everyone.